Hello, this is Peter from old Man King Homestead. Today's Thursday. We had a high of 89 today, and it was sunny all day today. Well, we got the electrical issue taken care of, so now the air conditioner is working. Had that on most of the day today. There was a wire hooked up wrong, so that's why there was issues with it yesterday. But that was resolved today, and the only damage was 2 fans, my heat plate for the chicks, and the light bulb in the light. So there was only about $100 worth of damage done from that. I was able to order a new fan last night. That's supposed to be here tomorrow. And with the air conditioner working, that one fan should be okay for the time being. I will get the other one replaced eventually. And then I had to borrow a heat plate for the chicks. But I would like to get one like the old one. So hopefully I can get that soon also. UPS brought a couple packages today. I'll show you what was in those packages in just a minute. And I'll also be showing you a clip of the chicks. The cats and the chickens are all doing well. And I'll let you watch the rest of the video now. I got a nice chair today. It sure is nice to have a chair to sit in. Thank you very much to the subscriber that sent this to me. In the other box I got, there was 2 cases of completes. I'm only showing one from each case, but there was 2 cases. A box of crackers. And also, there was a bag of chicken scraps. But I already took that out and put it in the tote that I keep the chicken stuff in. Thank you very much to the subscriber that sent this stuff. It's very much appreciated. I also ran into Arkansas Micro Farm today and got one of their stickers. It was very nice to see them. Superman decided to sit on my shoulder today. He hasn't done that in a long time. But since I was sitting in this chair and right by my bed, it's very easy. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Please like my video, and please continue watching. That's it for today. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Have a good one.